I'm not at home at the moment. I'm in beautiful Noosa, as you can see from this gorgeous beach picture here. I'm on holidays with my sister. She's up here to do a triathlon on Sunday, so I'm just hagging along. But I've still got to put my videos out, so I thought I'd share with you some of the beautiful picture side that I'm currently touring around in. It's gorgeous, it's sunny. Noosa is in the south top end, the top end, not south, the top end, north end of Queensland. It's gorgeous, sunny, it's got beautiful beaches, beautiful rivers, lots of mountains, lots of great places to hike. So that's where I get to hang out for this week. But before I continue on and talk about what we're doing today, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land where I'm currently on, and that is the Kabi people and the Jindabra people. They are the traditional custodians of the land where I get to make my video today. And I want to pay my respect to their elders past, present, and recognise that they have always had places of cultural, spiritual, social and economic significance in our land and our country to this day. So now today we are creating some beautiful pearlized coasters. Now I'm using some gorgeous interference colour shifting pigments, and most of the time you tend to use these on dark backgrounds because the dark backgrounds really make them pop. But I wanted to have a go at making them on some white backgrounds, giving them more like a pearlized pastel look. And boy, when they've been resined, the colours just shift, and the colour change in these are just stunning. So the colours I've used are all This Little Pigments. So I've used Flamingle, Crecendo, Unicorn, Lemon Sorbet and Sea Glass, and they've all been painted on a white base. They're just beautiful. I love how they've come out. I've already sold these coasters and I'm planning to make some more once I've gotten through my Christmas rush. So I hope you get a lot out of this video and you get inspired to try and do some interference pigments on a light base. So here we are, starting off with my 100 by 100 ml pressed edge white gloss tile. Then I am using my house paint here as my pillow. I've got lucky in Australia that I've got a great selection of house paint to use. So I've just spread it out a little bit. I've got my spinner there. That's my $10 spinner that I brought from my local supermarket. It's brilliant because it's plastic. It spins really, really well. It's got about a centimetre edge around it, so the paint doesn't fly everywhere, and it's really, really easy to clean. As you can see here, I've also got my Fluid Art Co matte, and I love the Fluid Art Co mattes because you can pop your tiles on centered really easy because you use the lines as markers. So right now I am adding my first This Little Pigment, and all these colors are listed in the description for you all. So I'm just going to layer all my pigments on. I can't remember which order I've actually popped them in, to be honest. So that's why I'll have to go back and have a look and list them in the description for you all. I'm pretty sure this one here is Crescendo, but don't quote me. I think I must have started with maybe it was Flamingle, then Crescendo, then Unicorn, but without looking at them, my brain will be fried and I can't remember. Oh, this is Lemon Sorbet, so I'm throwing some Lemon Sorbet in the middle. That one I definitely know. And then I'm going to hazard a guess and then I might put some Sea Glass. Oh, I don't know. I can't remember. No, I'm going with Flamingle. So Flamingle's pink. Crescendo is blue. No, see, now I'm getting them all wrong. Oh, mate, I'm going to pause this for a second and I'm going to come back with the correct colour order. So just hold your horses, peeps. Okay, we're back after a short little pause there. So here are the colour orders that I've done. So we've started off with blue, which is Unicorn. Then we're moving on to purple, which is Crescendo. Then we have yellow, which is Lemon Sorbet. And then we've got pink, which is Flamingle. I actually haven't put Sea Glass on this one. And as you can see here, I'm having a little bit of problem with my cell activator. I'm using a white cell activator here. So I've just had to go and jab a couple of holes in and move some gunk out of there to get my cell activator flowing. These bottles aren't the best for cell activator. So now we're just going to give it a little bit of a blow. So as you can see, as I'm blowing, I move my head around a little bit just to get that circle of my cell activator flowing out over my paint. And then I'm just spreading it out as I want, depending on the type of design I'm after. So this is one of my favorite ways of blowing out my pillows, blowing out my cell activators and blowing out my blooms. because it just spreads the cell activator really nicely and evenly over your colors without bringing too much of that pillow through, because you don't want to be doing that, because otherwise you're just going to end up with a white mess. So we're just giving it a bit of a spin now. Let's see how she goes as she spins. You can see here with this amazing $10 spinner that I've got that my paint, doesn't matter how hard, my paint is staying there. It's not spraying everywhere. My tile hasn't moved. It's very nicely secured onto my Fluid Art Co mat. And you can see just some of those colors shifting through here, looking absolutely amazing. Let's pull it off and have a look and see what we've got coming up with our first tile. But look at that, like you've just got this gorgeous shimmer and color shift. Like you've got some purple, some green in there. That's probably why I didn't add the sea glass, is because it already has that beautiful color shift with the green in there. So now I'm going to clean up my mess, which I've already done, and we're moving on to our next tile. And so we pretty much layer all our tiles in exactly the same way. We throw our pillow down, we throw our colors down, we blow it out, or we put our cell activator on, we blow her out, spin her off, spin all the excess paint off, and there's our tile made. So I'm going to speed through these couple of videos for you all, because you don't really want to listen to me talk for the next 10 minutes. And you can watch, and then I'll show you what they all look like at the end, and hopefully you can get inspired to go out and make some of your own. And here we are coming up to the finishing of our fourth and final coaster. Haven't these just been beautiful? Like, just look at the shimmer, the colouring of this, like the change of the colour, the yellow, the green, the purple, the pink, the blue. It's just beautiful. So like with all my videos, please like it, please subscribe, If you've got any questions, any comments, please shoot me them. I will reply to them all. As you can see, these are the 4 coasters. And I look forward to hanging out with you all next time. Who knows which part of the country I'll be in, because I'm traveling for a couple of more weeks. So hopefully I can put out a few more videos for you all. Until then, happy creating, and until next time, stay safe.